Heavenly Light and Sound Meditation, Part 82 of Many.
Saints attach the attention to the inner heavenly sound current because, by experience, they have found that the inner heavenly sound current is the source of all else. It is the power at the back of all other powers and from which all else has been derived. The venerated enlightened master, Baba Sawan Singh Ji, Hazur Maharaj Sahib, vegetarian.
That's the best thing that happened to us, the Kuan method. Meditate first, everything else comes along.
For more details, please visit suprememastertv.com/meditation.